how to turn off or on comment, likes and pins notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on comment likes and pins notifications on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click the storylines in the top corner, and now click settings and then select notifications and then click post stories and comments. Now scroll down until you find this one. Here you will find it. Now you can turn it off or on just by one click. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.